Let's begin. Eyes are closed, laying on the floor, breathing through the nose. Inhale for a count of 4. Expand the ribs. And notice when you exhale the smooth quality of the transition from the inhale to exhale. Inhale 4. The exhale is free. We'll do this for 30 more seconds. Change every minute. Let your mind connect with the movement of the ribs. Inhale 4. The exhale is free. The ribs expand. Abdominal area is passive. And now increase the inhale by 1 count. Inhale 5, and the exhale is free. And be attentive at the top of the inhale. There's that natural 2-second pause, and we roll over to an exhale, and that transition is seamless. And the transition from the exhale, at the bottom of the exhale, let the ribs expand, start to move the air in, and that too is seamless. It's a seamless cycle. The focus today will be on the transition in between the inhale and the exhale. And now increase the length of your inhale by 1 count, if that's comfortable. Inhale 6, and the exhale is free. The smooth quality of the breathing is maintained as you extend the count and find the maximum expansion of the inhale and the extension and elongation of the neck and the vertebrae. Every inhale, there's some extension in the spine. We capture that. We emphasize it. We concentrate it with our awareness. Ten more seconds. Inhale 6. The exhale is free. And then inhale 5. The exhale is free. The awareness goes deeper into influencing the breathing, the smooth quality of the breathing, the ease at which you expand your ribs, the sound of the air moving in through the nose. Inhale for a 5 count. Extend the neck, the spine as you inhale. Transition smoothly from inhale to exhale and exhale to inhale. Mentally note the rate and sound of the breath. And then for the last minute, we'll go back to an inhale of 4. So inhale for a count of 4. The exhale is free. And as we inhale, the shoulders stay passive and almost down. And the ribs expand from side to side. It's the side to side expansion of the ribs that create the extension of the neck. Well, your vertebrae are wedged in between a rib. So the rib moves the brain and helps us feed it. Not just from the oxygen, but from the mobilization of the canal of fluid that goes up to the brain. 20 more seconds. and seamlessly shift your focus to the exhale, and we will exhale for a count of 4, and the inhale is free. And the location of the exhale is the abdominal area, the movement of the visceral organs and the fluid that is part of our digestive juice. Exhale for a count of 4. Feel the bottom of the exhale and smoothly inhale. Find a way to inhale that feels relaxed and transition from that inhale to your exhale in a way that's even. The trick is from the exhale to the inhale. And then we'll extend the length of the exhale by 1 count. So exhale 5, the inhale is free. And the pause after the exhale can be for a 2 count, and it's a noticeable moment. We exhale, we pause, empty, trust, then inhale, expand, nourish. So the exhale is for a count of 5. The mental focus is the transitions and the movement of the abdominal area back down towards the floor or back down towards the lower back. Twenty more seconds. Soundless, easy, smooth, deep. And then increase the length of the exhale to a 6 count, if that's comfortable. Some days are easier for us to extend our breathing. Something like exhale 6, pause 2, deep inhale, and awareness of the abdominal area moves at the same rate that the air moves out. That's the feeling. You can help to put your hands on your abdominal area and notice how much it can move down in towards the lower back, more than you imagine. 15 more seconds. Stay with the count, stay with the focus. And then decrease by 1. The exhale will be for a 5 count, and the inhale is free. The transitions between the breath are somewhat representative or symbolic of how we transition from one project to the next and what we do in that between time. Oftentimes it's the transitions. When we leave something, then we go into something else. How do we center ourselves? Sometimes we have a minute, sometimes we have 20 minutes, and sometimes we have 5 seconds. Find the breath. It'll help you. It'll help you know where you are. When you can't find the breath, then you know your stress mechanism is extremely elevated. And final round, exhale for a count of 4. The transition from the empty exhale to the full inhale is relaxed. Just work out the kinks a little bit. Keep track of your count. The exhale is a 4 count. The inhale has a lot of depth and expansion. And then we will add a count to the hold after the inhale and after the exhale. So please inhale for a count of 4 Hold, pause for 4. Exhale for a count of 4. Pause for 4. Let's maintain that for a minute, and we'll add to that depending on what's comfortable. Inhale 4. Hold 4. Exhale 4. Hold 4. "20 seconds. Bring your mind back into the process of counting the breath, watching the breath, influencing the breath. Then we'll increase the hold by 1. So inhale 4, hold 5. Exhale 4, hold 5. Inhale 4, hold 5. Exhale 4, hold 5. The hold introduces a concentrated effect to the benefits of extending the spine, balancing the nervous system, giving a real perspective between fight and flight and rest and digest. The balance allows us a certain quality day to day with our energy and our mind. And then we'll increase one more time, and then we'll go back down. So find out if it's comfortable. Inhale 4, hold 6. Exhale 4, hold 6. Inhale 4, hold 6. Exhale 4, hold 6. As we increase the holds, we challenge the transitions. We put stress on the system. How do we bring it back to neutral so we're ready for the next event? Inhale 4, hold 6. Exhale 4, hold 6. And finally, we'll decrease from there. Inhale 4, hold 5. Exhale 4, hold 5. This should now have a certain comfort. You should feel that your breath and your mental connection is much different than when we started. And this is a subtle reminder of how much you can be involved in making a change and how short a period of time it takes. 15 minutes with a deep focus on yourself really gives you a break. It lets you recharge for almost a few hours. So throw these in there when you can. And then finally, for the last minute, inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. Let's do that for 30 seconds. This should be extremely quiet, very easy. The process is a bit boring, but the effects are spectacular. And then for the last 30 seconds, let go of the holds and expand the inhale and exhale with slow, easy, titrating the amount you take in every breath. Slow, slow, slow inhale, slow transition. Barely let the air out when you exhale.